Now let's start with the first job opening, which is for the network security engineer, and this is for firewall and SOC operations. So there is a company which is called Meta Techs, right? So they are hiring for network security engineer, where you need to take care of firewall as well as SOC center. This is exactly what they are looking for. You should have basic understanding of network security, SOC, firewall, a strong understanding of problem solving, and fashion, which is pretty common word. So who can apply? Recent graduates or anyone who is in final year or someone. So basically, this is a fresher. If you have completed your cyber security degree or something, then you can apply. This is mail ID hr@meta-text.net, and this is what you need to add in. Apply for network security internship in what we call uh, it as uh, subject line. Anyways, this is the next thing that we have, which is in Malaysia. So someone wants someone with a 5 to 8 years of experience, right? Long-term employment on-site Malaysia. L2 SIM is something on which you need to work. Open to all nationalists, which has sponsorship available, right? So they can provide you the visa. This is contact number on which you can ask. Today is the closing date, so if you want to apply, just do it within couple of next 30 minutes, right? Noel@comlakchglobal.com is the mail ID, and this is the WhatsApp number on which you can ask if you have any questions. Now, next one is role for the GRC again, which is for the reputed client. So 3 to 7 years of experience is required, and this is a hybrid job, and where you need to work in Navi Mumbai, right? GRC and all those basic knowledge. Neta@orangeumbrella.in the company name. Right. Now, next company is someone is looking for VAPT person, those who have knowledge about VAPT and how to do all those operations. Yes. Yeah. And then technology company name, you need to do web listen pen testing, network uh, API security assessment, network vulnerability assessment, and understanding of all those things. 2 to 4 years of experience is required. Relevant certificate are an advantage. 30 days a notice period. Navi Mumbai, work from office, and this is the mail ID on which you can do recruitment@enginetech.com, and this is the word that you need to write in subject line, right? Anyways, now the next one is cybersecurity professional. 1 to 3 years of experience is required, which is in Mumbai. Rotational shift, which is 24/5, not 7. 5 means Saturday, Sunday is off. Key skills is enable ST, VACS scans, and all those things required. This is mail ID. Amol Kusle at yeah, KPMG is hiring. So this is a good opportunity, right? You can drop your resume on this one, and if you know someone, then you can also refer them. Next one is L1 SOC, which is probably the freshers. 2 years of experience is required. Location in Mumbai. Work from office. Minimum 2 years of L1 experience is required. SOC, EDR, incident response. SI, Splunk is required. CH certificate is validate is must, right? And this is the key responsibility: SIM management, configuration, optimization, security, and all those things, right? Salida@symphonyhr.com is the mail ID on which you can drop your resume, right? So see what we have. This is all. That's all for today, guys. If you have any questions, please ask accordingly.